Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be training on how to do emergency response and tarp or emergency repairs to a flat roofing system. So one of the harder things about a flat roof is that no matter if you roll out a tarp, as you can see, you're going to have to roll it up over all the parapet walls and basically make a massive blanket that covers the entire roof. So with that being said, there's going to be thousands of square feet of tarping in order to get this roof tarped the right way, and it's just not going to be able to, especially when there's wind involved. That will turn into a sail very quickly. So the safer, more efficient option is to do just a quick repair while you're up on the roof, and the product that we're going to be using is called Gecko Patch, and it's one of the only products that you can apply when it's actually wet outside. So even if it's raining or there's pooling water on the roof deck itself, you can actually use this product to seal up any cracks or any seams or anything that you find that could be leaking. Step one of the process is obviously going to be identifying where the leaking unit is. If you're on a commercial building, most buildings are sectioned off into units or suites. So you're going to do that inspection inside, figure out where in the middle of the building it is, and then get on the roof and then inspect that area. So today we're going to say that this AC unit is the leaking area, and if it's me doing emergency patching, I'm going to go ahead and inspect this to see if there's any seams that are splitting, cracking, or anything out of the ordinary that could possibly be leaking. With these AC units, there's multiple layers of roofing around it to keep it waterproof, but you can see here where the seams are. Usually these seams are what is going to start cracking. They sealed this originally with some mastic, but you can see how it's cracking here. So this could potentially be a leaking hazard. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to seal this up with the Gecko Patch along with all the seams in this general area. With this specific product, when it comes in the bucket, you're going to want to stir it up. There's two parts in here. As you can see, all the clear is at the top. You're going to want to take your trowel and get this thing mixed up, and you're going to want to mix it for about 3 minutes so that the components start to mix together to get a good product. As you can see, the solids are at the bottom, so you're going to want to bring those up and keep mixing so that it all gets a good formula and that we're going to put a good product down on the roof. Two hand tools that I bring up with me is going to be a 4-inch brush for the finished product, but also this hand trail, so you can get this product out of the bucket. You can see the consistency of it. You're going to go ahead and just apply it right over this product here. In all the seams. So don't be shy when you're using this product, especially when it's wet outside. It's not going to smooth out as nice. So you're going to want to put plenty out on the roof deck. And then you can go ahead and use your brush here to kind of help smooth it out and lay it out a little better. And that'll kind of give you your finished product there. Once you're done with that corner, then you're going to continue to move around the base of this unit and just hit all the cracks, all the seams, all the penetrations in this area. And that will then seal up any leaks and then get you watertight for that storm. So when you're doing this type of repair or this quick fix, you want to make sure that all the seams of the rolled roofing system are touched in that area to eliminate any leaks. So there's a seam that comes here all the way around the perimeter of this unit. You're going to want to make sure that those get sealed up as well. But you do not have to bring your product all the way up under here, because this cap sheet, there's no seams from here all the way underneath the unit. So if you take this vertical seam here though, that runs horizontal, if you think that the leaking area is more on the left side of this unit, then you're going to go ahead and seal up this vertical seam as well, just to be sure that we get all the leaking areas stopped. Once you get all the seams in that area covered with the Gecko Patch and it's applied around the unit, then you're going to go ahead, you're going to put the lid back on your Gecko bucket, get it all patched up, and then put the tools you were using inside a bag so we don't track Geico patch across the roof during a rainstorm. If you put it out all over the roof, there's a chance of it washing in areas that we don't want it to be. And so just make sure you're doing a clean job, that you're being thorough, and you're putting plenty of product on the seams.